I am Chef Martin Markovitz, and this is Cooking with Parkinson's. Parkinson's disease took my profession and my sense of usefulness away. Now it is giving me a chance to help others find something that they can create easily and be proud of. The goal is increased self-esteem, being involved, and there is no bigger pleasure than eating the homework. Cooking has become good therapy. My pride in cooking makes me look forward to the effort. Even if I am tired, slow, and forgetful, I can still make a souffle that makes everyone jealous. I hope to supply my audience with easy but impressive dishes that can be served with pride. Get up off the couch and contribute to life again. Mistakes and slow movements will not be edited out. I want to inspire you, and for you to inspire me. This channel is a place that we can all share without prejudice, fear of our limitations, or being called out for our awkwardness. Enjoy the compliments on your cooking. No one needs to know that it took you 3 times longer than normal, or 3 tries to succeed. Your loved ones should support your journey back. Include them to chop onions, for example, or to hand you things. Just being part of the team is important. Take the lead and take control over what is left. Let's try to laugh together. If we cannot find the absurdity in our plights, it will only make us that much sadder. At first it will be hard. Diagnosed in 2008 with Parkinson's disease, I am an 18-year veteran of its power to inhibit. I was tired of reruns on YouTube and Netflix, and I knew that I had to be the one to jumpstart my future, as you must be for yours. Come, my sisters and brothers, learn to cook. Recapture your confidence. The recipes in this series are simplified for us cooks, limited by reduced motor skills, to achieve results that will impress everyone.
Okay.